So tumekuja kwa shamba to relax and retreat and rejuvenate. Long time no see. Hi everybody, it's Maria Nunga. Once had a YouTube channel, and I guess I'm back. And I'm coming live from the farm. We've been here for a weekend, my family and I, having a good time, having a recharge. Just being in the farm, being in this lifestyle is just healing for me on so many levels, and to be able to share that with people that we love. Mboga hapa namea, and then kulima shamba pia. It's just amazing. So you're going to be seeing a lot more of that. Look at that glow, baby. The forehead glow, baby. So this is where we are at. Tulilima juzi. So I'm back. Yeah, I'm back, guys, and it's gonna be yoga. I really miss teaching yoga. But I had to just take a break or a retreat or whatever that was. However long it was really long. And I miss the small online friends that I made. And I want to come back, but not just for yoga. I want to share everything Maria. Anything and everything that I feel comfortable to share with you guys. To share, to document my growth, my life, my lifestyle, my process, my journey, my love. So yes, that's about why or what's gonna be new, and also what I've learned since the last time that I was on this platform. Kokuna kale, my friend kale. I love kale. Kale is my favorite vegetable. So yes, that's gonna be the new channel, the new revamp for the channel. And I really ask for your blessings as I try again. Just trying again and again and again, trying, never giving up. I mean, you can stop, but not maybe giving up. Changing as you go, changing the personality of your channel as you yourself change, and just, I guess, making it your little story, or your big story, your intimate story. I always want to be intimate in my sharing with other human beings. See, I'm looking at a wasp. Nakuja hapa tukuni. Wasps are omens, good omens. And I saw a butterfly earlier and I was like, oh, science. Because I was thinking, I really think a lot. Growing older, finishing school, I don't know, and then we make life so serious. I don't know. Let's see what is in store for me and for all of us through this channel, through this second trial, or through this second journey of YouTube, of Yoga with Nunga, of Athelina, of Maria. So karibu sana. Urembo kupindukia, hii ni urembo sana. Urembo yenye mimea, yenye pumzi tunayovuta, yenye nyasi na manyumba na mapenzi na wapenda nao. Mapenzi, miti, wanyama, mimea.